Okay guys, I just woke up and people are saying that the Epstein files can be read if you just copy and paste them into a Word doc. Whoever blacked out these documents used Adobe Acrobat, and apparently it's really easy to see what the redactions are. This doesn't work for every document, it only works for the documents where whoever redacted them was an idiot and didn't know what they were doing. So we'll go to this document and I'll open it in a new window. You can see it pops up in Adobe Acrobat. And if we scroll down to anything that was blacked out, all you have to do is copy it and then open a Word doc and then paste it in. And that is the redacted amount right there. From another Epstein's personal accounts with another different bank for which another different bank, for some reason that was blacked out. We can look at the next line, payments from this account totaling almost, so this is 111, payments from this account totaling almost 60,000 were transferred by wire to young women, mostly at foreign beneficiary banks. Why would they black out those dollar amounts? I don't know. But you can literally read the redactions in the Epstein files, some of the documents, if you just copy and paste it into a Word doc. That's how stupid the people are working for Trump, and those are the people that Trump put in charge of this. So, I'm sure there are people out there who have downloaded everything, and now they have to go through each document, copying and pasting to see what was blacked out. It's not every document, but this is pretty hysterical.